AI mode in India. So what AI mode can do is it can generate the search results for you and show you a good enough summary rather than showing you the usual links in the search results like this one. So let's see the video that they have put out on the Google India blog page. Like you, like you can see over here that if you input a really long query, then it just should generate a search results with all the information in it, and of course it has links which goes to different websites. But overall, this is the answer that it shows. And down here also Google has shown like some specific things about the AI mode where they are saying that it's using Gemini 2.5 model, and from the early testers testing that they have done, the usual length of the queries that people are asking AI mode is 2 to 3 times more than the traditional search results. Traditional search results mean the usual blue links, these ones. So what Google is saying that over here, like people are asking like 5 to 6 words or maybe longer queries, but in AI mode, it's 2 to 3x more than that, which is crazy. And also like Google has shared some technical details around like how does this works, like how does AI mode work and generate the answer. It's using something called query fan out technique, where if you enter a really long query into Google, let's say 50 words, then it will split it into different smaller queries and do a search for those queries into the Google index, and whatever it returns, then it will use all that information to generate a single answer with, of course, outgoing links to the web. And also there are some other specific things as well where you can use Google Lens, and if whatever you are showing to it, you can ask it to generate an AI mode answer for it as well. Or like this one. Like in this video, they are showing Google Lens, a leaf, and on top of that, they are providing it a question as well. They're asking a question about what's in the image. And as you can see that AIO mode is doing the search of the web and doing the query fan out technique to look for information related to the leaf and what the question that they asked, and then trying to generate a new response for it. And over here, you can see that this is how the layout of AI mode on the mobile will be, where it shows you the answer, and then there are these link icons. If you click on that one, it bring up an overlay which shows the citation links for those. And on top of that, you can select a specific part of the answer and then click on the voice option again and ask a further question about that part of the answer, which is cool. And then it will generate the response for that question that you asked, and also the information that you have selected. Based upon the information that you selected and the question that you asked, it will generate a new response for you. And below here, Google is also saying some more information about the future of the search in AI. With AI, AI overviews now used by over 1.5 billion users every month is a testament to this evolution in our biggest markets like the US and India. It's already driving a more than 10% increase in usage for the type of the queries where they appear. So it's growing really rapidly in US and India, and it's driving more and more Google search users. But at the same time, over here also you can see that Google is saying that we aim to show an AI powered response as much as possible, which means that the you we will over time we will be seeing less and less of these search results when we are trying to search anything on Google, which means that over time the traffic that goes out from Google to other different websites may decline to significant levels. So this is something that is really, really concerning for site owners and different businesses who actually rely on getting a lot of Google traffic and get their leads, get their conversions, get their business through it, and that will be an issue for those kind of the businesses, and specifically for publishers who rely on traffic and monetize that with using Google AdSense or different ads, which means that their revenue depends upon the page views, the number of the people who are coming to the pages. This will be impacting them a lot as it rolls out in India, because lesser and lesser people will be clicking on the links, going out to the web to read those pages. Rather, they will be getting the long and detailed answer in AI mode itself. And regarding this one, I have done a LinkedIn post as well, where I shared some details around what I expect in the future. Like, I think that over time, Google will roll out AI mode to Singapore, Australia, and New Zealand, and other countries in APAC region first. And then it will happen in EU market countries as well, just like what happened with the rollout of AI overviews. And also on my SEOing love page on LinkedIn, I have shared a post where again, like I've mentioned some of the details around it. And also I've written this blog post sharing more details around like what's going on with this one. You can check it out on my LinkedIn. Bye.